Hello and welcome once again. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create text animation video with your phone. And for this, we'll be using the Legend app and the InShot app. So go over to your Play Store and download the Legend and the InShot app. Now let's get to it. Click on your Legend app, Legend text animation app. Click on it and just because you just downloaded it, you have to give it permission to your phone and give it permission to access your phone. Alright, so here we are. Let's go. You click on this play button in between it, this button that looks like play. You click on it and it brings you here. All you have to do is just click on that words and delete what is there. Then you type the new one. Okay, let's say you are a data vendor and you want to create animation video for your data. Just type whatever you want to type. Okay, let's say MTN. You sell 1 gig MTN for 300 naira, 2 gig for 600 naira. Okay, 3 gig for 900 naira. The list is endless. Just type whatever you want to type to your picture, but it has a limit. It has a limit of text it can accept for just one face like this. So once you type what you want to type, you mark it, then you click on this picture button here. It will take you to your gallery to add the picture you want to be at the background. So let's go. I think we have the MTN logo here, so you just check for it and add it to the picture. All right, MTN. Then you mark it at the right hand side there. Can we see it now? So you click on this play button in between it to click on the effect you want. Can you see? Just click on the best one you think will fit most. Can you see? You can just explore it and look at the one that you like. It depends on your creativity. So let's just check for the one that I like to use here. Nope. Okay. Let's just check around and look for the best one we want there. I think this is beautiful. Or not. So you can also change the text color of the words there. This big capital A that is under here, you can click on it and change it. Then you click on the download button up there. You allow it to download to your gallery. Good, it has finished downloading. Then you click on back and go back to the first place again and retype for the next one. These clips are just 6 seconds, so your video can be as long as you want. It's 6 seconds. Let's do for Glow now. 1 gig 600. I'm not saying that's the amount they are selling Glow. I'm just using this as an example. So maybe you are selling clothes too. You can just type whatever you want to type on the cloth and create as many clips as possible. I will show you how you can join them together at the end of the video. All right, and please, while watching, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and also leave a comment, and so that YouTube can show it to more people. Thank you. So let's look for the Glow logo. Okay, here we are. Mark it at the right hand side. You click on play and check for the best one also. It's not a must you use the same thing. You can change it to different types and different this thing. So Let's just check the one we want for this glow. It just depends on your creativity. Like I said earlier, you can just explore it and check for the one that you think, wow, if I say this, it will make me wait and stare at it. So I think we'll go for this. Let's download. Save as video. Don't save as GIF. Save it as video and allow it to save automatically on your phone. All right. Now over to the next. We click on back again and go back to the text. We delete the text and retype for the next one. Please subscribe to this channel. 1 gig 800 and 2 gig 1600. Nope, 1004. 3 gig 2100. 4 gig. You can just type as much as possible. To avoid this video getting unnecessarily long, we can just shorten it. So this is the Airtel logo. Put it there. Then we check for the animation we want to be on it. Right. Nope. No. I think we'll just use this. Then let's save also to our gallery. That is making it the third slide with animate now. You can animate as much as possible as you want your video to be long. Each face is just 6 seconds long. 6 seconds long. Now over to the next one. We back it again and delete. So over to 9 mobile. Okay, 1 gig going for 500 naira and 2 gig going for 1000 naira and 3 gig going for 1500. 4 gig going for 2000 naira. We click on our picture, sign again and look for the logo for it, the Etisalat logo. How you can get this logo, just go to your Google Chrome or your browser and type MTN logo. You get MTN logo, 9 mobile logo, Airtel logo. Just if you know the right keyword, you can surf the internet and download any picture you needed to use or any picture you need to use. So that's just how I got the pictures. Then we look for the best animation we want for this one also. All right, let's check them out. Nope. No. Just check for the best one. I just want to add it so that you will see everything I did. Then we can also change the text from the capital A that are down here. Okay, I think we'll go for this. Then we'll save as video also. Now that you've saved the 4 clips or the clips you want, you can decide to add one more at the end. Okay, let's add this. Delete. Let's delete it. All right. Don't forget, no, patronize us. No, let's go for don't forget to patronize us today. To patronize us today. Capital D. All right. Then you can put your contact info there also. Just edit it so that it will be eye catching. When people see it, they will want to view it before they leave. That is if they don't even patronize you, they will want to view it before they leave. And people can even be asking you, wow, how did you do this? How do you do it? You know, contact us. Then you put your business name, Toria's Tech Blog. Okay. Then let's look for the picture we are going to put. When your friends even start asking you, how did you do this? How did you do that? You can actually charge them and do it for them. You just make sure you do it and do it professionally, that it will be very, very eye-catching. And I'm telling you, you will be making money from it, like making cool money from it. So, okay, let's look for the best this thing we want for you. For this picture I use at the background, I just go to my Google and search for picture of a lady holding a phone and smiling. It will bring out different picture and download the best one you want there. So can you see it now? You can decide to put your maybe your WhatsApp number or anything you like to put there. I think we'll go for this one. Yes. Don't forget to prioritize us there. Can you see it? Then you click on download, save as video. Like I said earlier, you can decide to create as much as possible clips as you want. After finishing from here now, we are going to take the videos to the InShot app. You know, the videos has already saved on your device. All you have to do is just back away from this app, exit this app, and then go to your InShot app. Open the InShot app. All right. And click on video. You click on new video. New. Sorry. You click on new. Then you can scroll to the side to add pictures or add videos. If you have your company logo or your company flyer, you can put it as the first video, as the first picture to be there before the videos will play, so that your flyers will be there before the videos will play. So you can decide to click on any picture and use it as the first one. So let's just click on our video since we are not using any company logo here. So can you see the videos now? It has joined them together automatically. So just click on play and see. Let's click on play and see. Can you see? Can you see it? It has joined everything together. So you can add music to it also by scrolling to the, okay, from these things here, you scroll to music. Can you see the music here? Click on music. And these tracks here are the ones from the app. You can decide not to use it and go to my music. This featured is from the app, so you can, this is my music. I can just check. You can extract audio from music, from your videos also. So let's just use the music in our gallery, in my gallery here. Right, just check for the best sound. You can decide to download just instrumentalists of music from your Google Chrome. All you have to do is just search. Maybe you want to use Baby by Joe Boy. You can just search instrumentalist of Baby by Joe Boy. So it's just going to download on your phone and you can use it for your video. Any music you click, just play it and it's going to automatically end at where your videos end. You can increase the volume and reduce the volume also. So can you see it now? So after you finish doing it like this, you just mark it at the right hand side at the top and export the videos to your gallery, and it is ready for use. It is ready for you to post anywhere you want to post it, or send to anyone you want to send it to. And I tell you, video advert is big. Video advert will make your product sell so much that you also will be surprised. So once you add your music, you can play it and listen to how it sounds, or how if you like the music or not. So, and you can, like I said, you export it at the right hand side at the top. There is a button for exporting there, so you just click on the button and export it to your gallery or to your phone. So can you see what we created? Can you see it? So it's just as simple as this, and very, very straightforward. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends.